Inhale through the nose, filling the lower belly. Exhale slowly, releasing a soft, open rising into a hum that finds its own pitch. Then words emerge like constellations appearing. No mind holds this tone, only soul recalls. Kalamor nebetna kailum zon. Orion's fire at my root descends, not to burn but to reclaim what ends. I stand on earth with starfire deep, no more slave to fear or sleep. J'amor si vous ne utara. I am the will the old world forgot to say. Aru Vey Ka, Aru Vey Na. 13 gates now open wide, not above, not far, not high. They blaze within, they burn the light. La tumor, Shanuvi. I am the field of destiny. Heart on heart and calm. The star body answers all. Sirius pours the blue gold stream, the love that does not lose its stream. Lyra roars in solar flame, calling forth my fearless name. Pity's whisper in my bones, memories of when I was not alone. Arcturus tours my voice to sky. One word spoken makes worlds comply. Luva, Draco name, serpent power, rise and be. Meta, mio, si tu son. All my fragments now come home. Perseus cards, Hercules yields, Phoenix burns in silver fields. Cygnus flies, the twin soul thread. No more living, half alive, half dead. Aru Vey Ka, Aru Vey Na. I am the day, I am the way. 12 are lit, but one is whole. I am the fire behind the soul. Tari Kaito, flame arise. My voice unlocks the reed skies. Ihara, allowance I am. I see and shift the hidden plan. My shade fade on Aruba. I heard, I sang, I became the flame.